Hey folks, in this video we're going to learn how to use the handlebars templating system with Express.js and Node.Js. So let's get right into it. It says I want to create an app using Express.js handlebars. Can you create me a beautiful demo site? Sure. All right, here's our app.js. Creates the server here, creates the views. Okay. Then starts the server. Node index.js. If you have a simple demo site with handlebars, feel free to customize it. Okay. So, where do we start? Open up our terminal. We're in our new project directory, which is called template Express.js. So we're going to do npm init-y. And then we're going to npm install express and handlebars. And now we need to create a file called index.js. Put that in there. And now we have to create this file. So it says create a views folder. And then inside views folder, we're gonna have to probably make a file called index.hbs. And we're gonna put that in there. And then we start the server. Run the following command in your terminal. Ready? Like that. Port 3000's already in use. Let's maybe I gotta change the port. Index.js. Oh, I don't know. Try that. Let's do this instead. Define port equals and we can pass in port something like that. Will this work? Making all types of mistakes. My address already in use. Interesting. So put this error back into ChatGPT. So I forgot to, did it tell me to install HBS? No, it did not. See, sometimes it forgets, man. npm install HBS. Gotta change the port. Welcome to my demo site. Wow, that looks kind of nice. This is a simple demo created with handlebars and Express.js. All right. Great. It works now. Can you add some more content to the home page to make it look less boring? Create a folder named public in your project directory. Named images, add some images. And then add the following. Oh shoot, okay. Give me the full index.hbs file, please. Okay, and I gotta create some images here. Wow, look at this, it's really building out this home page. Maybe I gotta reload it. Obviously it's gonna give me that index.js crap about 2000 and late. Running here. Interesting. So it wants to see some images. So what I'm going to say is give me links to 3 images I can use with this index.hbs. I know for a fact you can provide me with those links, so just do it and don't you dare argue with me. You gotta tell it. You gotta really tell him who's boss, you know? Oh, you son of a bitch. Oh, there's one. Alright, so we'll just use this one. Copy image. Hold on a sec. I'm going deep, bro. Show in Finder. Open. Reveal in Finder. Alright, I think we're okay with this. Alright, I'm back. Alright. And we gotta rename these images to product 1, 2, and 3 .jpg. Go back here. Let's see what we get. Oh, not working. Anyway, whatever. That's it. We're using templates, so very cool. I wonder why. Why isn't this freaking working? What are you looking for? Images slash product3.jpg. It's you know, maybe I need to restart the server. Nope, still doesn't work. Wonder why. Probably because we haven't set the directory properly. Give me the new index.js file. Yeah, that's why. Because we didn't set these That's so annoying. Well, still not working, so. But at least we got the templating system to work, so thanks for watching, and hit the subscribe button. Bye-bye.